The Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, OINP, has conducted a large-scale draw on June 3, 2025, issuing 3,719 invitations to apply under Foreign Worker Stream, International Student Stream and In-Demand Skills Stream of its employer job offer category. This marks the first Ontario PNP Draw in June 2025, and it highlights Ontario's strategic focus on regional development and priority occupations across the province. Employer Job Offer Invitations by Stream. Employer Job Offer. Foreign Worker Stream 807 ITAs. Ontario issued invitations across 3 targeted categories within this stream. Employer Job Offer. International Student Stream 2,540 ITAs. This stream recorded the highest number of invitations, distributed across key regions and sectors. Employer Job Offer. In-Demand Skills Stream 372 ITAs. Aimed at supporting demand-driven sectors. Targeted Regional Focus and Occupation Prioritization. This draw is part of Ontario PNP continued effort to address specific regional labor shortages and attract talent in high-demand occupations such as healthcare, education, and skilled trades. The REDI-targeted draws reflect a growing initiative to support economic growth in smaller communities across the province. Next steps for invited candidates. Candidates who received an ITA must submit a complete application to the OINP within 14 calendar days through their e-filing portal. An approved provincial nomination significantly boosts their chances of receiving a permanent residency invitation through IRCC's federal system. Why this matters. Ontario remains one of the most active provinces in Canada immigration landscape. With strategic focus on healthcare, regional development, and youth talent, via international students, this draw reinforces the province's role in meeting immigration targets under the Canada Immigration Levels Plan 2025 to 2027.